back to Grizzly's Perspective. You know who I am. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Give your boy a like, comment, you know, share the videos. Definitely put a lot of work into these. Watch it all the way through, please. Like, I get it, you know, I do a lot of montages, sorry. But I'm gonna need y'all to watch these all the way through if you really mess with your boy. First off, this is gonna be my first ever, if you know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? Like, but definitely shout out to my boy Keegan. You trusted me with your whip, so definitely big thanks. So I'm gonna just quit talking. Y'all go ahead and watch the rest of the video. Deuces.
Ready to go? Yo, sniff confetti for the toast. Drop kicks like Janetti off the ropes. Mach 6 smoking heavy on the coast. See me dip the law like vanilla in a cone. Use caution, cause if not, then you were gonna only talk business when we sitting in a sauna. Ain't trying to be in prison, taking shits up in the corner. Rikers Island know the water, so it's all water. Shoes native, rock a husky as a headdress.
Who do we have here today?
I'm Keegan, guys. Hello. Keegan ROS on YouTube. And Toka Z on Instagram for now. And this is a 1992 Skyline GTST. Our boy got to take it for a drive today. Not as nearly as hard as I wanted to. But
Hey, I want to respect somebody's car, so
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
You know me. So tell me about the car.
It's bone stock, about 80,000 miles on it. All I've done is redo the seals. I put a LS alternator upgrade in it, replaced with OEM coils, a new coil sub harness, and that's really all I've done in terms of like performance, I guess. Future plans with it, I'll probably just do like a link ECU, kind of delete some of the other sensors and run what we got until she blows, and then LS swap it. Go reliable, that's the recipe.
So you know that because you have this car, people are gonna not agree with that LS swap.
Of course, but you know, I'm gonna ask them where theirs is and why they're not driving it every day.
That is true. If you don't know, this is actually a daily. Very clean daily, but a lot of people who own these cars do not daily them. What made you daily it?
You know, I needed a work truck. I got a 280Z with a 6.0 swap, and that, you know, requires some love and attention, and sometimes it's just not the best conditions to drive it, so take the Skyline out if it's raining or whatever. It's got heat, defrost. For the new long commutes, it's pretty good for it.
And it does have AC, which
does have AC, can confirm.
I definitely can confirm that. But this car, you know what? I like it. When I drove it, it was amazing.
Yeah.
Even though, like you said, I didn't get on it, but you know.
And it'll eat corners. I did replace the wheels, so I went with it still has the turbo wheels, the 5-spoke, but the offset for the tires themselves, I went up a little bit. Surprisingly, it would scrape. I'm not sure if it's the frame wheels is not getting along, but after that, no real scrape issues, and it just handles extremely well. And I take it anywhere. A little bit off-road action, up mountains, anything. Those weird like roads, the harsh drop-offs. You know, you don't have to cringe to do a U-turn and catch up with people.
Yeah.
So that's really it. I have the original wheel, but I do believe that's a genuine Momo. It was kind of when I got the car. Somebody did swap out the rotors, some slotted, drilled, versus the heavy stock ones that were on it. So I'm sure that helps with a bit of the rotational mass and that. Dash uncracked. Got a dash cover. We took it off today. A little bit of a flex that's not cracked. Yeah.
Oh, so there was a dash cover on there.
Yeah, there was a dash cover. It's in the trunk, but
okay, fair enough.
Yeah,
fair enough.
Take it out, you know.
all right. Yeah. Well, if you guys are ready to see what the actual drive looks like, let's get into that part.
Just kind of expected. It's not gonna be all there. You'll feel it on top end though.
Fair enough. Well, we have
lift off.
Definitely.
Probably easier to just hand on this arm, so we're not off.
We got enough space?
Yeah, we're good. Yeah, you're good.
Oh, this is so cool.
Yes, sir. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna get on you. I just ask that you don't do anything fucking stupid.
Oh yeah, no. Is this one of your dailies?
Yeah. So this is probably the winter daily right now. So I get an alternator for the Z. I don't think that thing fucking anywhere.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. right knee hit that, so I'm surprised the left turn signal's on right now.
How hard did you hit it?
I don't know. I think I was just getting out and it kind of bumped it.
Oh, wow.
The dash cover's in the trunk. That's kind of like the biggest concern. Like, I don't give a fuck about anything else, but as long as the dash isn't cracked,
you're good.
I'm chilling.
Yep. You know, maybe
AC too, man.
Dang. You know what? That right there is a flex. When their AC works, man.
I didn't say it worked well,
but
it's
it
air
works.
moving.
As long as it works.
Also, how to use Google Translate, the app, to read this, because this unit is period correct.
So it's only in Japanese?
Only in Japanese.
Oh, wow.
And if you do cross the line a little bit, I might get on your ass. But don't take it personally, you know. You hear it?
Yes.
And you'll feel it when you can get off of it. Like right before it shifts, and then right before you'll get the maximum drop off. But yeah, all I've really done to it is an LS alternator. I serviced the coil packs, the plugs, and then fuel filter and stuff. Shit that was just blatantly neglected. So it's like, and it was imported. I got pictures for the import stuff. I don't know, I did a little slow-mo chop at the beginning, but lay them out. Some guy in China kind of bought it.
A guy in China?
Some guy in China bought it. He had it for a long-ass time. And then the people in Tennessee bought it. They brought it over. I don't know the dates exactly, but it sat for a long time. And then I bought it from them, so it's a 3-owner car, and the first guy never really drove it. Hell, there's only like 80,000 miles on it.
That's not bad. That's less than my car.
It just sucks because the RV wasn't really happy. We're gonna go right here.
Alright.
And that road should open up. Hopefully, you don't get stuck in the place.
Hopefully.
But if anything, we just go back and forth.
Yeah.
It should be pretty dry. Registered first day work like a week later. There are two Z's right next to each other. It's like a 350, 370. They both have the Z Aussie banners. I'm like, oh, you're like grandpa, you know? These guys can get on it on.
No, that actually was a clean RSX.
The gray one?
Yeah. But no, I definitely got to show the people your other cars. Like, I hope you have a YouTube channel, because like you can't
like
not.
Started. Your boy's got 40 subs. I subbed you on it.
Hell yeah. I got to sub to you right back, bro. It's like, now that I think about it, I'm like, dude, who wouldn't want to see that?
It's just hard doing car content. You know, I can appreciate kind of why these other guys, like BS for Build, Rob Dumb, you have to have so many projects to record. Instead of lining them up.
Yeah. Like, because I really wanted a lot of people to be out here for this review, because it's like, this is my first one, and I'm glad you were so trusting of me.
There's an audience? I thought you just had lined up vehicles.
No. I mean, I could do that. No, tomorrow I have a lowrider to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is the one with the hydraulics?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, dude.
I had, because like, my whole idea behind it was like, nobody who reviews cars goes down that road of like lowriders and the community and stuff like that. So
you also gotta ask them, like, what's it like representing on the east side? I feel like
because it is a West Coast thing. Like, it is a West Coast thing. That's the crazy part. But it's like the fact that you brought it out here to the East Coast is crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, if you shotgun questions, you know, I do my best. It's just my heart's not really fully in this car.
See, but you could also bring the Z and we do a 2 for 2.
Listen, don't tempt me with a good time. I just put gas in that bitch. But
Hey, you could bring it up here.
Just the happiest. No, I'd like to. Like I was gonna that dude in blue. I was gonna try and have him do the Z.
See,
everybody do the Z, but I want it to be in like the best condition. You know, I'm happy with it. Here it is in its rawest state.
Which is all fine. Yeah. I'm not even mad at that. Cause like I've met him multiple times, and I've even had him, like I said, in one of my videos. But it's like, I'm trying to be friends with the man. Like I don't even care about him reviewing my shit. Like,
yeah, and it's hard, you know.
Cause I think it's like months in advance that it takes to book them, stuff like that. I didn't even think that worked. Okay, this is about to be the hard part. I think I got it.
You got mirrors?
That is true.
Man's got the Nissan truck, you know, I'd give my heart.
You know, I gotta bring the homies out here. Let me get you some space over here.
How was it though?
I like the car. I do. Everything I dreamed.
And if you drive another RB that's had not so much service attention, it'd probably be a lot more raw power and everything. Like if I was to do anything with this car, I'd probably just up the ECU and make sure everything's happy, just to go away with some of the parts you can't get away, like fine, like the MAF and everything. But it's really good.
Definitely like it.
Not totaling my shit, man.
I got you. See, it takes one person to trust somebody.
Oh yeah. We're all out here, man. Just having a good time. You appreciate cars.
Oh yes. Oh wait, hold on.
Oh, you gotta hit the button, so it's gonna be below the keys.
Found it.
Got it. Thanks, sir.
There you go. Nah, I'm just gotta figure out how to get out again.
Bro, that steering wheel has so much more space. The stock one is huge.
Is it like right up on you?
Yeah. What's up, man? I'm Keith. Nice to meet you.
Pedro. We did it. And I reversed it.
Did reverse it. You got a little close over here. You had
that's why I had to. That's why I had to like just. Oh man, dude.
So I think they are 4 pots. This is turbo.
Because that looks exactly like the brakes you gave me. Thanks to him. He's the reason why I have Mass 13.
You see that thing on the road and you pissed off and you sold it.
Oh, it's not mine. I don't give a
It's
fuck
his
about
brother.
it.
But